Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are very fine and fit. In last class, I have completed our chapter number 10, Adolescent and Puberty. Okay, I have also sent you the exercise, book exercise questions also in your WhatsApp group. You have noted down in your copy. Now in today's class, I will start a new chapter, Force and Pressure. This is the chapter number 11. Chapter number 11, Force and Pressure. So we are going to start this chapter, Force and Pressure. First we will discuss what is force. What is force? Force when a pull and push of any object is known as force. For example, this is a toy train. If we applied a force, then it can move. It can far away. So when we push and pull, if we push this train, then this train is movable. So, for example, we take a ball, we throw the ball. It means we applied a force on this ball. Then this ball is far away from me. When we applied the force, then this ball far away from me. So when we applied a force of any object, it can state their change. Which is present in rest condition. If we applied a force of any object, it can change their state from rest condition. For example, this train is in rest condition. It is not in moving condition. If we applied a force, then this train will be moved. If we applied a force, then this train will be moved. And means the state of this object will be changed. In starting, it will be in rest condition, and we applied a force, and this is changed their position. It means state of this object is changed. So if we apply the force of any object which is in rest condition, it can change their state. Okay, it can change their state. So we can say pull or push is known as force, and we applied a force of in any object which is present in rest condition, it can change their state. We can also say when two objects come in contact to each other, then also force is applied. For example, we play a cricket. This is our bat and this is ball. If we play a cricket, then two objects are contact to each other. This bat and this ball is come in contact to each other. Then this bat is applied a force on the ball. So the ball is throw away. Okay, so when two objects come in contact to each other, when they are interact to each other, then force also is applied. So we playing a cricket, playing a football, playing a hockey. These are the example of force in which two objects are contact to each other. The interactions are in between two objects. Okay, so this is the example of force. I want to ask one question. Do magnet also exert a push or pull? A magnet exert a push or pull means a magnet exert a force. For example, if we take a magnet and when we take a magnet and iron piece come in contact with the magnet, then magnet attract the iron piece. Means it is a magnetic force. Means magnet pull this iron object. Magnet attract this iron object. It is a magnetic force. And we can also say in magnet two poles are present, north pole and south pole. When north and south poles are come in contact to each other, they repel to each other. Okay, they repel to each other. This is also a force. So magnet also exert push or pull. push or pull. Magnet also exert a force. When an iron piece come in contact with magnet, then magnet attract this iron piece towards itself. Okay, when two different poles of magnet come in contact, then they repel to each other. So magnet also exert the force. Okay, now we will discuss what is the characteristic of force. Which type of characters are present in a force? The first characteristic is when two forces act in the same direction in an object. For example, it is an object and two forces apply on this and both the forces are in the same direction. Suppose one person and another person, two persons are applied the force on this object in same direction, then net force is the sum of two forces. The net force will be N. If two forces applied a single object in a same direction, then the net force will be added. For example, this is a box. A man applied a force in the same direction. Suppose two men applied the force in the same direction. Two persons applied the force in the same direction. Then both the force will be added. So the net force will be the addition of both person forces. Okay. Now second, if the force are applied in the opposite direction. For example, force are applied from the opposite direction. If I applied the force from this direction and another person applied the force from this direction, means two persons applied the force from the opposite direction, this direction and this direction. So the net force will be the difference of two forces. Means we subtract the force. If we want to find the net force, then we subtract the both force. Okay. For example, this is an object. Two persons applied the force from the opposite direction. So the net force will be subtracted. The net force will be difference of two forces. Okay. Now third, force always has a direction. Force always has a particular direction. Okay, which applied a strength, which have a particular strength and which have a particular magnitude. Means if we applied a force, then force has a particular direction. For example, we applied a force on this train. So I applied the force in this direction. So the direction is a fixed. Means force has a particular direction. Now next characteristic, if the direction of the magnitude of the force change, the effect of force may alter. If we change the direction of the force, then effect of force may be altered. Means if we applied the force of any object and we change the magnitude of force, then effect of force also be changed. If we change the magnitude of the force, means the value of the force. For example, one person apply 5 Newton force and one person apply 3 Newton force. If we change the magnitude of the force, then force may be altered. One person apply more force and another person apply less force. So if the magnitude, when we applied a particular magnitude, then force may be altered. Now, if two forces acting upon each other, suppose we applied forces from this side and from this side. From this side I applied 2 Newton force, from this side I applied 2 Newton force. Means we applied equal force from the both direction. From this side, from this side, equal force of applied. If magnitude of force are equal, then the net force will be 0. Means for example, if we take a bottle and one force is applied from this side and one force is applied from this side, means two forces applied from opposite direction, from this and this, and the value of this force is equal. If value of this force is equal, then the net force will be 0. So if two forces applied from the opposite direction and magnitude are same, then the net force will be 0. Okay. Now next characteristic, force can bring the changes. Force can bring the changes. Force can change the size. Force can change the shape. Force can change the position. Force, if we applied a force, position change. If we applied a force on this paper, so the shape is changed. So the force can bring a changes in size, position and shape. Now force is the product of mass and acceleration. F equals to m into a. M means mass, a means acceleration. Okay, so force equals to product of mass and acceleration. F equals to force, m equals to mass, a equals to acceleration. Okay, this is the formula of force. Thank you so much. In next class, we will discuss the next topic.